Hello everyone! For today's tutorial, I will share to you on how to create an USB bootable device using Windows 10. So of course, before you can create an USB bootable device, you need to have a flash drive, an OS, then a rufus application. So let's start. So first thing you need to do is insert your flash drive to your PC or to your laptop. So once the flash drive is inserted, then open the Rufus application. Then select the boot selection. Then locate the Windows 10 OS. Then do not change the image option. So how to determine the partition scheme? You need to go to CMD. Just type CMD. Then type this part. Enter. Then type list this. So you can determine whether GPT or MBR. That asterisk is on the GPT, so meaning you will choose the partition scheme into GPT. Then the target system is UFI or non-CSM. Then change the level into Windows 10. Then click start. Then okay. So wait until it ends before you can use the USB bootable device.